Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about RRB Paramedical Nursing Superintendent 29th April 2025 third shift question answer part 2. Let's start. The first question: what is the first step in providing first aid for a snake bite? Option A: cut the wound and try to suck out the venom. Option B: make the person walk to seek medical help. Option C: keep the affected limb immobilized and below heart level. Option D: apply ice to the bite area. The correct option is option C: keep the affected limb immobilized and below heart level. Which factor increases heart rates of firing during exercise? Option A: chemoreceptors. Option B: baroreceptors. Option C: proprioceptors. Option D: autonomic nervous system. The correct option is option C: proprioceptors. The amount of heart energy that is liberated by burning 1 gram of foodstuff completely in the processes of O2 is called dash. Option A: calorie. Option B: calorified value. Option C: basal metabolic rate. Option D: specific dynamic action. The correct option is option B: calorific value. Chronic gout is characterized by multiple joint involvement with the presence of option A: podagra, option B: pain, option C: toffee, option D: bursa. The correct option is option C: toffee. Which route is used to administer chemotherapeutic agent to minimize the associated physical discomforts and risk of infection and infiltration by intravenous method? Option A: central venous route. Option B: intraossical route. Option C: transpatch on skin. Option D: intraatrial route. The correct option is option A: central venous route. Which of the following is a warning sign of mental illness? Option A: accepts self and others. Option B: desires or demands immediate gratification. Option C: uses sound judgment to make decision. Option D: inability to cope with problems and daily activities. The correct option is option D: inability to cope with problem and daily activities. Which of the following activity should be avoided by a patient scheduled for a total ankle replacement surgery? Option A: bearing weight on the affected leg for 6 weeks. Option B: lifting heavy objects. Option C: abduction exercise of the affected ankle. Option D: sleeping on the back. The correct option is option A: bearing weight on the affected leg for 6 weeks. What does NX signify in the TNM classification? Option A: regional lymph nodes cannot be assessed. Option B: micrometastasis in lymph nodes. Option C: no lymph node involved. Option D: extension lymph node involved. The correct option is option A: regional lymph node cannot be assessed. Which of the following electrolytes should be monitored while administering triamterene drug? Option A: chloride level. Option B: potassium level. Option C: sodium level. Option D: bicarbonate level. The correct option is option B: potassium level. Which of the following is the most immediate priority in assessing disaster impact on a community? Option A: environmental contamination. Option B: threat to human life and safety. Option C: infrastructure damage. Option D: economic damage assessment. The correct option is option B: threat to human life and safety. Which diagnostic method is recommended as the gold standard for malaria diagnosis under the national program? Option A: rapid diagnostic test only. Option B: serological test. Option C: clinical symptoms only. Option D: microscopic examination of blood smear. The correct option is option A, rapid diagnostic test only. If a patient or relatives decide to leave the hospital against advice of the doctor, he or she has to sign dash form before discharge. Option A, abscond form. Option B, MLC form. Option C, NMLC form. Option D, LAMA form. The correct option is option D, LAMA form. In which of the following grade does a tumor possesses cells that are moderately differentiated? Option A, grade 4. Option B, grade 1. Option C, grade 2. Option D, grade 3. The correct option is option C, grade 2. The main elements of the phosphate buffer system are option A, NaCl and HHB, option B, NaH2PO4 and NaCl, option C, NaH2PO4 and NaHPO4, option D, HHB and NaHPO4. The correct option is option C, NaH2PO4 and NaHPO4. Which laboratory finding is most consistent with accurate DIC? Option A, prolonged PT or PTT with thrombocytopenia. Option B, elevated fibrinogen levels. Option C, elevated platelet count. Option D, decreased fibrin degradation products. The correct option is option A, prolonged PT or PTT with thrombocytopenia. In deep palpation method, the depth of skin depressed is approximately option A, 3 to 4 cm, option B, 2 to 3 cm, option C, 1 to 2 cm, option D, 4 to 5 cm. The correct option is option D, 4 to 5 cm. The district mental health program team typically include all the following except option A psychiatric social worker, option B, a psychiatrist, option C, a neurosurgeon, option D, a clinical psychologist. The correct option is option C, a neurosurgeon. Which connective tissue forms supporting framework of liver, spleen and lymph nodes? Option A, brown adipose tissue, option B, white adipose tissue, option C, reticular connective tissue, option D, areolar connective tissue. The correct option is option C, reticular connective tissue. The microbes that use chemical compounds as a source of energy are known as option A, lithotrophs, option B, organotrophs, option C, chemotrophs, option D, phototrophs. The correct option is option C, chemotrophs. When there is necrosis of the tissue due to burn injury, the patient is at risk of developing dash. Option A, neutropenia. Option B, disseminated intravascular coagulation. Option C, thrombocytopenia. Option D, hemorrhage. The correct option is option B, disseminated intravascular coagulation. The normal tissue present at an ectopic site which is not a true tumor is known as option A, choristoma, option B, hematoma, option C, teratoma, option D, chondroma. The correct option is option A, choristoma. In Indian context, UHID in hospital commonly refers to option A, Union Health Identification, option B, Uniform Health Identification, option C, Unique Health Identification, option D, User Health Identification. The correct option is option C, Unique Health Identification. From a psychological perspective, which of the following marks the beginning of the puerperium period? Option A, the first breastfeeding session. Option B, the rupture of membranes. Option C, the delivery of the placenta. Option D, the onset of labor. The correct option is option C, the delivery of the placenta. The important use of goniometer is to measure the option A, range of motion, option B, muscle strength, Option C, muscle power. Option D, muscle tone. The correct option is option A, range of motion. What is the most appropriate way to assess the effectiveness of nebulization therapy in a 4-year-old child? Option A, count the number of coughs during treatment. Option B, measure peak flow readings. Option C, ask the patient if breathing feels better. Option D, monitor oxygen saturation and respiratory rate. The correct option is option D, monitor oxygen saturation and respiratory rate. The process of macrophagus engulfs the microorganisms and cellular debris refers to option A, propulsion, option B, thrombopoiesis, option C, leukopoiesis, option D, phagocytosis. The correct option is option D, phagocytosis. What laboratory test is used to monitor disease progression and immune status in HIV positive patients? Option A, CD4 plus T cell count. Option B, liver function test. Option C, HIV viral load. Option D, complete blood count. The correct option is option A, CD4 plus T cell count. The pH range that supports optimal growth for most bacteria is dash. Option A, 2.5 to 3.5. Option B, 3.2 to 6.2. Option C, 4.2 to 5.2. Option D, 7.2 to 7.6. The correct option is option D, 7.2 to 7.6. In placenta previa, due to repeated small bout of hemorrhage while carrying on the expanded treatment can cause chronic placental insufficiency, leads to dash. Option A, fetal growth restriction. Option B, intrauterine death. Option C, asphyxia. Option D, congenital malformation. The correct option is option A, fetal growth restriction. The average increase in the head circumference of an infant from birth to 3 months is option A, 1.5 cm per month. Option B, 1 cm per month. Option C, 0.5 cm per month. Option D, 2 cm per month. The correct option is option D, 2 cm per month. Food rich in carbohydrates and fats are called as option A, bodybuilding. Option B, protective. Option C, energy yielding. Option D, regulatory. The correct option is option C, energy yielding. Role of Indian Nursing Council in nursing profession is dash. Option A, to regulate nursing program. Option B, to provide nursing registration. Option C, to conduct nursing examination. Option D, to provide job to nurses. The correct option is option A, to regulate nursing program. The system of differentiations, which includes a hierarchy of social positions, are termed as option A, social class. Option B, social caste. Option C, social mobility. Option D, social stratification. The correct option is option D, social stratification. In which brain tumor there is presence of multiple deposits, well defined and usually located at the gray and white matter junction? Option A, ependydoma. Option B, metastatic brain tumor. Option C, medulloblastoma. Option D, oligodendroglioma. The correct option is option B, metastatic brain tumor. Lymph nodes found in the chest near the lungs and heart are called as dash. Option A, mediastinal lymph nodes. Option B, cervical lymph nodes. Option C, popliteal lymph nodes. Option D, inguinal lymph nodes. The correct option is option A, mediastinal lymph nodes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.